The Reflection app's been available for Mac for a little while now, and now it's also available for Windows, so we're going to have a bit of a look at getting started with it today and just our first impressions. It allows you to put your iPad or iPhone screen back onto your Mac or onto your Windows PC, and then it also allows you to record that. Your computer does need to be on the same network as your iPad, so if you've got a wireless network running and your computer's on the same network, that's how you'll establish that connection. So we're just going to get started by having a look. So once you've installed Reflection and you open up the Reflection app, we've got just on a trial at the moment, so just click Try Reflection and it will ask you just to click through. I think a license is about $20 for a single license, or I think it's $60 for 5 licenses. Once you have installed it and opened up the app, you'll see it appear in your system tray down on the right hand side, and you can just go in there and have a look at your settings. There's some basic settings there about connection and whether you want to use a password and what happens when you actually connect your iPad, whether you want it to go to full screen. So once you have got Reflection up and running, what you need to look at is how to actually get it up onto your screen. So if you go to your iPad and you double press the home key, you'll get to your menu bar, and then you can swipe across to the left to find your AirPlay option. And what you want to do is look for the name of your computer. In this case it's SLV12499. You're going to click onto that button and also select mirroring, and that will put your iPad back onto your screen. So this is now showing the iPad on the screen, and you can see I'm actually flicking through on the iPad, and it's got a tiny little bit of a delay, but it's fine. It'd be great for presentations, so you'll be able to see your iPad screen. And if you then right click, you also get a few options. So you can actually choose to show the frame of the iPad if you want to make it look more like an iPad, and you can choose the different colors if you want a black or a white one, if you want to be that picky. And also you can stretch it, and the great feature is that you can start recording, so you can actually record your screen, and that allows you to do screencasts to show students how to use particular apps. Overall, Reflection looks like a really great app. It seems to be pretty solid. It's pretty easy to get a good connection going if you've got a Wi-Fi network, and it's a great way to do screencasts from your Apple device.